The Vivid COVID-19 lamp is a qualitative diagnostic test for the detection of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus in gargle samples using the RT lamp method. At least 1 hour before the test, do not eat, drink, smoke, vape, chew gum, brush teeth, or use mouthwash. How to proceed with the gargling test step by step. The package contains a gargling solution vial, a sample vial, and a clean cap. Open the vial with gargling solution. Remove your respirator and pour all vial contents into your mouth, but do not swallow. Put your respirator back on. Do not talk or spit the solution out. The following steps shall be repeated at least 3 times. Tilt your head backward so that the solution reaches the back of your throat. With your head tilted, open your mouth and mimic an ah sound. Gargle for 5 seconds. Do not swallow the solution. Tilt your head to a neutral position and wait 5 seconds. Repeat gargling at least 2 more times. Take off your respirator and gently spit the solution into the vial with a funnel. Put your respirator back on and replace the funnel with a clean cap. Hand over the sample to the staff and wait for test results as per their instructions.